case you have used up your emergency fund, it is time to rebuild it. Hello and welcome to The Levels. My name is Bronia. Let me start off by explaining this term emergency fund in case it's the first time you're hearing of it. An emergency fund is money set aside to cushion you when life happens. What to do when your emergency fund runs out? Smash the like button and your emergency fund will magically be full again. You know you want to smash it. Life happened. You had a tire burst that you had to fix. You had something in the house that was broken that you had to fix. Now you have depleted your emergency fund. It is time to build it. How do you build it? Reorganize your budget. Reorganize, resize, rearrange your budget. Go through your budget and see things that you can eliminate. Cut out subscriptions that take out money from you every single month. But subscribe to my channel. That's the only subscription you are allowed to have. Hopefully you can go back to them after you have refilled your emergency fund. There is a limitation to how much you can cut before you can cut no more. But there is no limitation in how much money you can create. It's time to get a side hustle. Get yourself a side hustle so that you can generate money to put towards your emergency fund. Sell stuff that you are not using to generate money.
I bet if you can go through your closet, you'll find clothes that you haven't worn in the past 6 months or even a year. Take them out, iron them, make them look good, and sell them. Not just clothes, even stuff around your house. Sell them and
throw every little bit towards your emergency fund. Get an extra job. In some areas, it's difficult to find a job, but put yourself out there. Hopefully and likely you might get yourself an extra job. Get focused on your spending and cut back.
Be intentional. If you have already cut back some more. It is time to inconvenience yourself to be able to build up your emergency fund.
Do not take money out of your retirement account. That is stealing from your future. And besides, you stand to lose out on some money because of penalties of taking out money before the stipulated time. If you have a property, don't sell it. Rather rent it out so that it can generate some money for you. If you are living in a big house, it's time you reconsider resizing your house, moving out of the big house and staying in a smaller apartment. If resizing is a challenge to you, consider renting out some of the rooms in your house. Rent hacking. During this period that you are trying to rebuild your emergency fund, do not take out any loan and do not spend money. Leave a comment below and let us know how you rebuilt your emergency fund. Remember, an emergency fund is something that you'll have to keep on rebuilding every time you deplete it.
If you have watched until this far, thank you for watching and click the subscribe button so that you get notified every time we post a new video.